What time is it?
It's science time!
And before we leave, I want to show you one other thing that I built. Well, I didn't build it, but I brought it along. This here is a container and it has ferrofluid in it. That means this liquid is attracted to magnets. Check this out. Ferrofluid is attracted to the magnetic field of my magnet. When I let go, it falls. This is definitely something I want to jot down into my notebook so that I can do research in the future. This is so interesting. Keep learning, keep having fun, keep exploring, and remember, science is wherever you are. See you in the next episode. Bye! Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.